Linda here. I'd like to show you our new high-speed versions of the sustainable produce containers. Here's the 2-quart in the high-speed design. And the reason it's easy to machine form at speeds of up to 75 containers per minute with a single head are these Kliklok sides. On the bottom, we did not include vents because the machine needs a flat surface to pull from the stack. They're also easy to form by hand. Here's the square point. It always does help to pre-fold. Then to assemble, fold the sides up, put the corner tips from the back and the front panels into the side panels so they click and lock in place. You're making the connection by hooking the tips inside the box. After you've filled it with your produce, turn down the side cover flaps. When you're ready to close, this design comes with an anchor lock. To show how secure it is, here's 2 pounds of marbles in the square point. Pretty solid. The lock will soften though each time it's open and closed. A consumer can open the lid by either tearing the lock or by pushing into the lock as they pull up on the lid. There are also rounded edges on the lid, so you can close it quickly without locking it at all, and you still get a pretty secure closure. For grocery stores who want a tamper-resistant box to reduce spillage, the design includes these partial cutouts. An automatic closing machine can apply glue to these tear dots and can lock it like a cereal box. This new design comes in a craft fiber material that's coated white on one side and brown on the other. We also offer brown on both sides in the craft pack. The natural brown can be hand stamped more cost effectively than buying unrecyclable UV labels. Or we can print for you a single color on any or all sides for only a few cents more when you order just one pallet. The white side can be fully color printed. This coated craft material is also used for things like 6-pack bottles of beer. So it has a very high wet strength. And it does handle temperature transitions really well. When packing things like berries, you could even eliminate the expense of soaker pads. All sizes will eventually come in this new high-speed Kliklok design. Every size fits into existing master produce gardens, and they can also stack quite high in displays, saving you space. Plus, all of our sustainable produce containers are 100% recyclable and easily biodegrade even in a backyard compost pile. Unlike plastic packaging that is pretty much 100% not recyclable because recycling centers don't have any buyers for this plastic and it ends up in landfills. And finally, because there's less paperboard material in this new design, we're able to price the sustainable produce container extremely close to plastic in high volumes. Some growers have introduced this new package for a new price and made more profit. Thanks for checking them out and place your order today so you'll be ready for the next harvest with earth-friendly, sustainable produce containers.